There are actually quite a few yoga poses that reference birds, each with its own unique benefits and challenges. Here are a few of the most popular. Bird of Paradise Pose, Svargadvijasana. This advanced pose is a true stunner, resembling a graceful bird in flight. It requires deep hip opening, core strength, and balance to hold. Benefits include improved flexibility in the hips and groins, strengthened core and legs, and increased focus and concentration. Crow Pose, Bakasana. This arm balance pose builds impressive upper body strength and core stability. It's like balancing on your hands with your knees tucked to your chest, resembling a crow taking flight. Benefits include strengthened wrists, arms, and core, improved balance and coordination, and increased confidence. Eagle Pose, Garudasana. This challenging pose requires precise alignment and balance, mimicking the focused gaze and powerful grip of an eagle. Benefits include improved flexibility in the shoulders, hips, and spine, increased core strength and stability, and enhanced focus and concentration. Pigeon Pose, aka Padarajikapatasana. This hip-opening pose comes in various modifications, from beginner-friendly to advanced. It stretches the glutes, piriformis, and hip flexors, promoting hip mobility and improving posture. Benefits include increased hip flexibility and range of motion, improved lower back pain, and greater sense of relaxation. Downward Facing Dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. This fundamental pose is often called the ultimate yoga pose, for good reason. It stretches the entire backside of the body while strengthening the arms, legs, and core. Benefits include improved flexibility in the hamstrings, calves, and spine, strengthened core and upper body, and increased circulation and energy. No matter which bird pose you choose, remember to listen to your body and work within your own limitations. With regular practice, you'll reap the many benefits these poses have to offer. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any other questions or any experience. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to support us.